Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer a SoundCloud playlist to Spotify using TuneMyMusic. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for TuneMyMusic. Then open the official website. Once it loads, log into your account to continue. Next, click on New Transfer and select SoundCloud as your source platform. You may be asked to log in to your SoundCloud account to proceed. After logging in, your playlists will appear on the screen. Select whether you want to transfer the entire playlist or only specific songs. Then, click on Choose Destination and select Spotify. You may need to log into your Spotify account to connect it properly. Once everything is set, click on Start Transfer and allow the process to complete. Finally, open Spotify and check your library to view the transferred playlist. So that's basically how you can transfer a SoundCloud playlist to Spotify using TuneMyMusic. That's it for this video. Thanks!